good, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kayla Lashae. I hope that you guys take a second to hit that subscribe button down below and go ahead and click that bell so you guys can get a notification every time Your Girl uploads. But today I'm here in a bikini. We are doing a try on haul from one of my personal favorites. Let me show you guys. Hotmiamistyles. Oh yes. So I went ahead and ordered some really fun things from Hotmiamistyles just to get ready for the warm weather here in LA. And I'm actually wearing the first thing right now because I could not wait to try it on, and I love their bikini sets. By the way, I'll go ahead and leave everything that I have here in this haul in the down bar. I ordered this in a hot pink color. Not only do they have an amazing variety of colors to choose from, but they have prints and different cuts as well. But I have been really drawn to this specific style, the ones that just go over your shoulder, sort of like a cropped little sports bra. There is no sort of removable pads or padding in it at all, which I do like. I don't really mind, you know, the little, but what I do love and appreciate is this little band at the bottom. That's where I feel like I get the most support, and I feel like I can dive into the water if I ever went into the ocean, which I have a fear of the ocean because there are a lot of questionable creatures and things floating around. I just don't have the time for that, okay? I like my life. I'm not trying to die. It also comes with these cute high-waisted bikini bottoms, which are super cheeky. Do you see? Yes. I got my top in a size medium, which fits me perfectly, and then the bottoms I got in a size small. They are super high-waisted, which I feel really comfortable in. Like I said, they are very cheeky, as you guys just saw. So if you don't like your bum really exposed, this might not be the set for you, but I personally love anything high-waisted at the bottom. It's a little sexy, and it just makes me feel cute and comfortable and confident, which is key. You know, you want to feel good in your swimwear, right? Let's move on to the next set that I got. It's the same exact bikini, but just in a different color. I thought going with something a little more neutral would be really nice, especially with a good tan. Now I do have self-tanner on right now, so imagine like a summer glow with this color. I think would be beautiful. Again, this is a size small bottom. This way you can actually see what they look like, not on me. But like I said, these things come in a million different colors, you guys, and I kind of want to get like all of them. Like if you find something that you like I feel like I need to get it in every color possible. And then this is the top. Again, it looks very tiny, but I just love this color. Giving me Kim K vibes, okay? On to the next, we have another bikini set, which is a little bit different, but kind of the same. This one has a really fun little metallic print to it, but you can actually adjust this. So the whole front comes undone, if you can see this little knot here. This is what I love, is you can really give as much cleavage, as much support to this suit as you want, because it's like a little vest. But it's so cute. Again, it looks like it has no coverage, but wait until I put this one on. But check out that pattern though. Pineapples, I love it. And then the bottoms are just the same as the ones that I've been showing you throughout this entire haul. And then these, of course, I got in a size small. I do have a pair of these in a size medium, and it's just a little bit looser in the butt area. I mean, I guess it just kind of depends on how curvy you are, but I just got size small, and I like the fit of this a lot. I like the print because it is metallic. It's very subtle, but it's super fun and appropriate for summer, you know, with the pineapples and everything like that. So I still have so much to go through. Those were just the swimwear items that I picked up for springtime. I did want to go ahead and get some cool accessories, you guys, especially for the beach. You know, going to Malibu or something, which I did a lot last summer. I definitely want to take some more beach trips because I do live in LA. It's just something that I don't really do all the time. But also poolside as well. Like in Vegas, I think this would be so freaking cute. You guys know Vegas is like my second home. But this is a cute little floppy hat, which is nice if you don't want to get too much sun on your face. You can kind of just, you know, block the haters. But it says, life is good. I think that is so cute. It's a really fun motto. Actually, my stepmom was obsessed with the actual Life is Good brand. So this sort of reminded me of that. She had everything Life is Good growing up. So I thought this would be super cute to add into my sort of like swimwear. It is a little tight on my head. Granted, I have a wig on, but like, bruh, I don't have a big head normally. So if you have a small petite head, this would be cute for you. It is one size fits most, or one size fits all. You can't have swimwear without a cover up, right? So I ended up getting this one, which I don't remember what it looks like. So let's open it up. Again, when I got all of this stuff, I was just thinking of a Vegas vacation, because what else is my life, you know? But imagine this by the poolside. I think this is just so cute, especially with this pineapple print bikini, because it has gold sequins on it. So let's try this on. Oh, I got this in a size, I think it might be one size. I think it is. Oh my gosh, I love this. Super lightweight, but it has this really cool sequin detail, and it does have laces here in the front as well, and it has super big wing, sort of flowy sleeves. Oh, it's so cute. It's like just the right amount of sheer to it, you know, where you can still see your bikini pinking through, but you still feel confident and comfortable if you have like beer by the pool. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is so adorable. I love this. And it hits me like right behind the knee. Okay, Hot Miami, I see you guys. I see you. This is A+. On to the next. I picked up this cute linen cropped top, you guys. Now this is so cute. Like, I imagine just wearing this casually with some denim high-waisted ripped up shorts, and it's a look. But this is tied up so you can adjust it. There's no sort of buttons or anything on it. It's just like a very light linen material, and it has like subtle stripe details down the front, if you can see that. Sorry, it's a little wrinkled because it was in the box, and I got mine in a size medium. So I'll just try it on over the top of this bikini. I just thought this would be so cute, even for like a day in Malibu or going wine tasting or something. You could definitely do like a little bralette underneath, because you guys are going to see what I mean by it being very like exposed. But it also looks cute as a little pool cover up as well, if you wanted to pair it with, again, high-waisted shorts as your pool cover up outfit. Either way, I thought it was super cute. Yes, sorry, I'm still in my bikini bottoms, but I just wanted to show you guys what this looked like. It's just like one of those things that you can kind of just throw on. Check out these sleeves. It's giving me George Washington vibes, and I'm not mad about it, but I do love this. It's just very like effortless. Think about this. You go to like a day pool party at a hotel, and then you want to throw this on, put on some denim shorts afterwards, and then you want to go to lunch. Super cute outfit, so you're not prancing around in an actual pool cover-up. Oh, I love this. Love. The next thing that I ordered from Hotmiamistyles is this super cute matching two-piece set, again, for like a spring vacation, summer vacation, going to Malibu, wine tasting, just like a day outfit where you want to look put together but still be comfortable. I thought this would be super ideal. Plus, I really like the pattern of this. So they have a lot of different sets like this that are very tropical. So if you guys are going on a tropical vacation, you're going to Miami, I mean, I would hit them up ASAP. So this is a little maxi skirt, and it has a zipper to get into this in the back. I really loved the pattern of this. It has a really nice slit on this as well, which I'll go ahead and try it on so you can see what it looks like. Again, I just wanted to show you what it looks like just regular and not on my body, but of course it comes with a matching crop top with bell sleeves and a lace-up detail in the front. Again, very light material, so if you're going somewhere humid, I feel like this is still going to be something that's going to be really comfortable. Bruh. This is so freaking cute. So this, I think I got it in a medium, I told you guys, fits perfectly around my waist. I'm wearing it pretty high-waisted because you can kind of adjust it. I just didn't want to have a ton of skin showing. I do also still have that bikini top underneath because I just didn't feel like getting a bra. Like, I just... lazy girl problems. But you guys can get the picture of what it looks like. Again, it has these really big bell sleeves, which just give me effortless vacation beachy vibes. So I think this is just so freaking cute. The whole thing is very flowy, and I'll bring you guys down so you can see hopefully more of the cut. See this little slit that it has? Oh, it's just so subtle but so cute. And this does have layers to it, so you can see, although it is white, you're not gonna see any of your goods. You feel? Yes, I love. And it goes all the way down to the floor, which you guys can't see, but it's so freaking cute. I love this two-piece set. Guys, these are probably the one thing. Okay, I keep saying I'm so excited about everything, but honestly, that's why I picked these things out, because I love them so much. And by the way, everything fits to a T. Like, I don't have to exchange anything. So that's what I love even more. So I got these in a size medium, and they are high-waisted. Yes, the perfect high-waisted fit. They don't get too tight in your crotch area. They don't look like a diaper from the back, but they are a high-waisted track pant. And they have these again in other color combinations, which I think I'm going to go back and order them as well, because I just love them so much. They're just like a essential, a staple. They're very sporty, which I love. You can definitely dress these up. You can dress them down, and they just fit so freaking well. And this one has an exposed zipper down the bottom where you can kind of adjust it to show some leg. And if you don't want to show any, of course, you can just go ahead and zip it all the way down. Just like that. And I think I'm gonna wear them casually with my Vans, because why not? You could also pair them with some loafers, like backless loafers if you have those. Pointed stiletto heels for a night out or an event with a cute little crop top. Obsessed. Let me try these on for you guys as well. They're like the perfect high-waisted length. I do have very long legs. It's like the majority of my body is my legs. But I love the fit. They're so casual, so comfortable. You can pair them with a sports bra, Calvin Klein little crop. You can do bodysuit, would be super poppin'. And the last and final thing from this haul is, of course, another pair of track pants. I've seen them all over their Instagram. That's a lot of the times where I see things that I want to get is on their Instagram. So I'll leave that linked down below so you guys can check it out for inspiration. So these I got in, again, a size medium. Again, they're super high-waisted. And like the ones that I have on right now, they have the, I guess, exposed side. If you want, you can go ahead and unsnap these so you have more of like an open leg. And they do snap, unsnap all the way up, so be careful. You don't want like your booty showing. But I do love these. Again, they're camouflage and they're like a nice neutral color with a white stripe down the side. I feel like you could dress these up. You could easily dress them down. They can be worn as loungewear, pair it with a bodysuit, a crop top, sports bra, whatever floats your boat. And I just think these are so freaking nice. Okay, so these ones are a little bit more like of a high-waisted fit, which I don't mind. Again, it has like a very stretchy band, so it's definitely super flexible, and I just love the sporty material. Sorry, this like string thing is like hanging out. Makes your butt look really good. I love this. It's my vibe. Let me know in the comments down below which item from this haul was your favorite, and let me know what colors should I get those bikinis in next, because I'm about to place another order really soon, so let me know down below. And of course, check out the links in the description box below, because you guys can find me all over the place when I'm not posting here on YouTube. I'm on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. So until next time, I will catch you dolls in my next video. Bye!